Hi, I'm Nico, and I'm the CTO and co-founder of Junglytics. And I want to quickly show you what's possible with a really exciting new AI assistant built on top of first-party Amazon data. So I'm here in a chat. You can see we've got some examples, but I'm actually going to pull up one I've already started. So let's imagine that we're working with this client. This is just a demo account in this case. But I don't know about you, but when you're switching between and supporting a lot of clients, you might not always remember exactly what their catalog looks like. So we can always just ask, what are the product lines we're selling? Now let's imagine we want to get some information about how we did last week for one of these product lines. So I can just conversationally type into the chat here, can we see profit and tacos percentage? Maybe I want to see that as a line chart for last week. And we can even narrow that down further. Let's say we just want to ask about the fleece sweatpants line. So we're just going to say that right here in the chat for fleece sweatpants. We call this conversational analytics because unlike doing spreadsheets or dashboards or kind of anything else that's really existed before, you don't have to do all the technical thinking to access this data and the insights inside of it anymore. You can really just have a conversation. I think about it almost like having a data expert on your team that you can just Slack or Microsoft Teams with and get real-time answers. So you can see as soon as I type that in, pretty quickly we got an answer. I can see here that we correctly filtered down just to the fleece sweatpant line. And this is the date range I was looking for. And here are the metrics I wanted, profit and tacos percentage. So all this is a normal, interactive, modern kind of dashboard graph. And I can hover around, see day by day, and look at these trends and see, well, like, okay, something happened on the 23rd with profit. Maybe that's worth looking into a little bit more. So the assistant is really good at any of this really quick data access, any metric for any SKU, any ASIN, for any subset of your business, for any date range that we can get data from the Amazon Seller Central API or the Ads API. And we combine that data so you can do things like ROAS, tacos, conversion rates, etc. But we're also starting to see really exciting new, more complicated workflows. And one of the things we're really energized by is when we're partnering with particularly agencies, any workflow that's taking your team too much time, we can collaborate with you, teach the assistant how to help you with that workflow and save you tons of time. We're already seeing a lot of agencies double the amount of clients they can support without adding anyone to their headcount by leveraging our dashboards and our AI assistant. So this is just a quick teaser to show you what's the beginning of possible with this really exciting technology. Would love to answer any questions if you have them, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for the time. Cheers.